Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Dudes Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best double-din car stereo you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the KissSound KS9701. Let's get started. Product feature. Seamlessly connect your phone via wireless or wired Apple CarPlay in Android Auto. It syncs automatically as soon as you start your car, keeping your favorite apps and navigation right where you need them for a stress-free drive. Stay focused on the road with hands-free voice control. Using Siri or Google Assistant, you can safely make calls, send texts, and manage your music without ever taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the path ahead. Experience premium sound with a built-in DSP processor and 4.1-channel amplifier. A 10-band equalizer and dedicated subwoofer output let you customize every beat, delivering deep bass and crystal-clear highs to every seat in the car. Enjoy stable streaming and clear calls with a dedicated Bluetooth chip. The dual microphone system, featuring both built-in and external mics, ensures your voice is heard perfectly, even when driving at highway speeds with road noise. The vibrant 7-inch IPS touchscreen offers stunning visuals and responsive touch control. Plus, with wired mirror link, you can easily project your phone screen to enjoy videos, maps, and apps on a much larger, clearer display. Parking becomes a breeze with support for front and rear cameras. The system automatically switches to the camera feed when you're in reverse, giving you a full view of your surroundings to keep you and your loved ones safe. Designed to fit most standard openings, it integrates with your car's steering wheel controls for easy adjustments. You're never alone on the journey either, thanks to 24/7 tech support available to help with installation or any questions. Pros. This unit truly feels like a companion on the road. The audio customization is a dream for music lovers, making every commute feel like a private concert. We love how the heatsink keeps things running smoothly on long trips, and the dual microphones make hands-free chatting feel as natural as talking to a passenger. It's a thoughtful blend of safety, fun, and reliability. Cons. While the installation is straightforward for most, some vehicles might require a separate dash kit or wiring adapter to get that perfect factory look. Also, the mirror link feature requires a wired connection, which might feel a bit less modern than the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto options. Final thoughts. Imagine turning your daily commute into something you actually look forward to. This stereo doesn't just play music, it bridges the gap between your digital life in your car, keeping you connected safely. It's about giving your vehicle a modern soul and ensuring every drive is filled with your favorite soundtracks and the peace of mind that comes with smart safety features. Ready to upgrade your driving experience? Check the price link in the description to see how this fits your budget. Subscribe to Dudes Tech and like this video to stay updated on the latest gear. Safe travels!